Hi, I'm Electric Jim. I'm certified electrician with over 20 years of experience and hundreds of electrical installations built over this time. What is this channel all about? Here I'm gonna give you smart tips and tricks regarding electricity. I'll try to keep videos under 5 minutes long. In each video, first I'm gonna show you the trick and then I'm gonna give you the rationale behind that trick. Why did I open this channel? Well, reason is simple. I feel sick to the stomach by all this wrong and sometimes dangerous advice I can see on the internet regarding electricity. Because guys, bad financial advice could cost you money, but bad electricity advice could cost your life. Electricity kills, guys. Literally. My tips would certainly help you with some small things, but I highly recommend you to hire a professional when it comes to something serious you don't fully understand, because you cannot learn everything overnight and it takes years of studying and practicing to become a pro. How am I going to proceed? Most videos are gonna be pure practical ones. However, I'm going to upload some theory here and there, which I'm gonna use later to reason my tips. I hope you don't mind that. Well, I think this is all for the moment. If you have any questions, just ask. You can write in the comments or you can email me. Let's go do some wiring.